How often should you run your robot vacuum?
Wondering how frequently you should run your robot vacuum? The answer depends on your needs and home. Regular use helps maintain clean floors, but factors like foot traffic, pets, and allergy concerns matter. This video answers the most common questions and offers practical tips so you can keep your space spotless and your vacuum running efficiently.
What is the recommended schedule?
For most homes, running your robot vacuum 3 to 4 times per week is ideal. If you have pets or small children, you might want to schedule daily cleanings to pick up extra hair and crumbs. Consistent scheduling helps prevent dirt and dust from building up, making your cleaning routine more effective.
Do pets or allergies affect the frequency?
Yes, pet owners or allergy sufferers benefit from running their robot vacuum daily or even twice a day in high-traffic areas. Frequent vacuuming helps remove pet hair, dander, and allergens before they accumulate, leading to cleaner air and a healthier home environment.
Can you run a robot vacuum too often?
It's safe to use your robot vacuum as frequently as needed. However, check for worn brushes or filters with heavy use. Most models are built for regular operation, but proper maintenance keeps them running efficiently. Regularly empty the dustbin and clean sensors to prolong your vacuum's lifespan.
Tips for an effective cleaning schedule.
Schedule your robot vacuum for times when your home is less busy, such as during work or overnight, to minimize disruptions. Use your vacuum's app or scheduling feature for consistency. Remember to maintain your vacuum regularly by cleaning the bin, filters, and sensors for the best results in everyday cleaning.